Hello developers, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, my name is Eleftheria, nice to meet you. I'm doing the FreeCodeCamp Challenges and I'm actually doing the Regex. Some of them are trickier, but some of them are easy. I think that we're going to do a few more tricky, but I'm not sure since I haven't really checked them. If you like this kind of videos, please share and subscribe, maybe comment or tell a friend to check this video also, because regular expressions are super important. I'm not going to stall anymore, so let's go! Regular expressions find characters with lazy matching. In regular expressions, a greedy match finds the longest possible part of a string that fits the regex pattern and returns it as a match. The alternative is called a lazy match, which finds the smallest possible parts of the string that satisfies the regex pattern. You can apply the regex T, A through Z, I to the string Titanic. This regex is basically a pattern that starts with T, ends with I, and has some letters in between. So far, so good. Regular expressions are by default greedy, so that match would return Titani. It finds the largest substring possible to fit the pattern. However, you can use the question mark character to change it to lazy matching Titanic, matched against the adjusted regex of T, A through Z, I. Returns Ti. So what we have to do is to fix the regex, to return the HTML tag h1 and note the text h1 winter is coming. If you watch Game of Thrones, you will know this expression, winter is coming. Remember the wildcard dot in a regular expression matches any character. Okay, I think I'm a bit confused, but I'm also ready to do this one. So I'm going in the second line and I have to use the h1, but I think that first I will have to use the brackets and inside there I have the h1 and then the period and the asterisks, and we want also to have the question mark. And now let's try it. Okay, that's correct. Yay! Now find one or more criminals in a hunt. Ooh, okay, nice name. Time to pause and test your new regex writing skills. A group of criminals escaped from jail and ran away, but you don't know how many. However, you do know that they stay close together when they are around other people. You're responsible for finding all of the criminals at once. Here is an example to review how to do this. So the regex Z plus matches the letter Z when it appears one or more times in a row. It would find matches in all the following strings. So you have this example. And then it says, but it does not find matches in the following strings since there are no letters Z. Okay, yeah. Write a greedy regex that finds one or more criminals within a group of other people. A criminal is represented by the capital letter C. Okay, so let me think for a bit. I'm going to the fourth line and then I will have, I just need the C. Okay, so this may be not very hard, but I don't understand why I have the dot. Maybe I don't need it. Okay, yes, and I didn't need it. That wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. Match beginning string patterns. Prior challenges showed that regular expressions can be used to look for a number of matches. They are also used to search for patterns in specific positions in strings. In an earlier challenge, you used the correct character inside a character set to create a negated character set in the form of things that will not be matched. I like this name. Outside of a character set, the card is used to search for patterns at the beginning of strings. And we also have an example here. Use the card character in a regex to find Cal only in the beginning of a string, Ricky and Cal. So I think this is an easy one, so I'm just gonna copy the call. I'm going in the second line, I'm going to use the caret and then the call, and this should probably do the trick, and it does. Nice. Let's continue with the next one, which is mount ending string patterns. In the last challenge, you learned to use the caret character to search for patterns at the beginning of strings. There is also a way to search for patterns at the end of strings. Okay, you can search the end of strings using the $sign character at the end of the regex, and again we have this example in the second line. We can see how to use it. So let's see what we have to do. Use an anchor character to match the string caboose at the end of the string caboose. So I'm going to copy caboose, I'm going to do the second line, and then I have to do this with the $sign, and let's check if it's correct. And yeah, it is. So guys, I don't think I'm going to continue with the rest of the challenges. I want this to be a short video, as the two previous ones were quite big, and I think that you get tired more easily if the videos are long. So let me know in the comments below if you like shorter or longer videos, and I will take that into consideration for my next ones. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have an amazing day. See you in the next one.